Hi, I am Shamin Singleton. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful mobile bag. This is a beginner friendly tutorial. First make a slip knot. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now this is 20 chains. Hold the 20th chain and chain 3. Now yarn over and insert a crochet hook in the 20th chain and make 2 double crochet. Now your first 3 chains are counted as your first double crochet, so you have 3 double crochet. Now make 1 double crochet in each space throughout the row except the last one. Now you'll make 3 double crochet in the last chain plus 3 double crochet for the next side. Now when you make 3 more double crochet in the same space, that is 3 plus 3 6 double crochets in the same space, your line automatically turns to the other side. Now make 1 double crochet in each space until you reach the last chain. Since we have completed the row, in the last chain make 3 double crochet. And slip stitch in the third chain. Now chain 3 and make 1 double crochet in each space until you complete the row. Now since we have completed the row, Slip stitch in the third chain to join the ends. Now you can see how the shape started to form, and you do not need to stitch this bag. Now chain 3 and make 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 2 double crochet, all in one space. Skip 3 chains and in the 4th chain repeat the same pattern. Now continue the pattern all around until you come to the last, and then we'll slip stitch this together. Now slip stitch in the 3rd chain to join the ends. Now, since the pattern begins from the chain space, you have to slip stitch to reach the chain space and then repeat the pattern. Now chain 3, 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 2 double crochet. Now yarn over and go into the chain space, and you have to make these patterns only in the chain space. I am going slow with this tutorial as it is a beginner friendly tutorial. To speed up this video, you can touch and hold your finger anyway on the screen while the video is playing. It will automatically jump to 2x speed and release to return to normal. Now continue the pattern all around. Let's do the last together. And slip stitch in the 3rd chain to join the ends. Now the 2nd row is complete. Now you have to continue row after row until you get your desired size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I made 15 rows and it's not completed yet. This is the last 15th row and you have to slip stitch in the third chain. Now stitch a pearl or a bead. Now I will raise up just one side to make a flip so that we can close the bag. Now just slip stitch until you reach the chain space. Now chain 3, make 1 double crochet, 1 chain and 2 double crochet. We will repeat only 3 patterns and 3 rows. Now we completed 3 rows and the 4th row we will make a loop. Complete your first pattern. In the second, that is the middle one, make 2 double crochet, 7 chains and 2 double crochet. Make adjustments with the chain according to the size of your bead. Now the loop is ready. Let's check the size. So the size is perfect. In case it isn't, you can make an adjustment with the chains. Finally, you can add a handle which is made in the same manner on two rings, that is key rings. The pattern is available on my channel. You can check it out, and this is how you can use it. Put your mobile in it, close it, and you're ready to move around with your beautiful mobile bag. In case you found this tutorial interesting, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day ahead and happy crocheting. Thanks for watching.